Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to bake banana bread. Before we start, preheat your oven to 350. Now for the ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 2 cups of sugar. 3 fresh whole eggs. 1 whole butter, 14 tablespoons for our recipe, and 2 tablespoons for greasing. Overripe bananas, mashed. The recipe calls for 4 big bananas. 1 teaspoon of salt. 3/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. This recipe is for your big loaf pan, which is 5 by 10 by 3.5 inches. Now let's start preparing. Crack your eggs in a separate bowl. Check first before adding to your bananas. Repeat to all 3 eggs. Microwave the 14 tablespoons of butter. With the 2 tablespoons of butter, use this to grease your pan and set aside the excess. Then cool for a while your melted butter. To our mixing bowl, which holds the 2 cups of flour, we add all our dry ingredients. Sugar, nutmeg, baking powder, salt, baking soda, melted butter, then our eggs and bananas. Then we mix. Gradually at first, then slowly increase your speed until everything is incorporated. Definitely, you can also mix this by hand. Avoid over-mixing so as not to overwork the gluten. Then don't forget to scrape your bowl and check if your flour has been thoroughly mixed. Now we add our mixture to our greased loaf pan. Now we bake. To check on your loaf if it's cooked, use a cake tester. If it comes out clean, it is fully cooked. If you don't have a cake tester, a barbecue stick will do just fine. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.